Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of budget gaming laptops with a look at the Acer ALG AL15G-52. If you're hunting for a versatile gaming laptop without breaking the bank, stick around to see if this one fits the bill. The Acer ALG is a new lineup of budget-friendly gaming laptops from Acer. But wait, there's a twist. The ALG stands for Aspire Lite Gaming, which basically means it's a rebranded version of Acer's Aspire Gaming series. Priced at Rs 64,999, it's aiming to deliver solid performance at a wallet-friendly price. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's kick things off with the specs. Here's a quick glance at what you're getting with the Acer ALG. Visually, the Acer ALG is surprisingly sleek for a gaming laptop. It sports a steel grey finish with a subtle design that doesn't scream gaming. The aluminium lid features a raised center with ridges that reflect the light, though this design does lead to a bit of flexing. The hinge is pretty sturdy and the keyboard offers decent travel and feedback, which is very similar to Acer's Nitro series of laptops. It's a full-size keyboard with a numpad, and overall the experience is great for both gaming and typing. For connectivity, you're looking at a solid range of ports. You've got two USB-A ports, one of which is a 3.2 port. You've also got two USB-C ports, a single HDMI 2.0 port, an Ethernet port, a micro SD card reader, and two 3.5mm jacks, one for input and one for output. Overall, this is a pretty comprehensive selection for a budget laptop. The display here is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a refresh rate of 144Hz. During our testing, we tested a peak brightness of 281 nits. Color accuracy isn't the best in its class, but it's decent with 63.4% sRGB and 45.3% DCI-P3 coverage. Overall, it's more than enough for your gaming and media consumption needs, but we would advise against using this for your creative needs. Now let's talk performance. The Acer ALG packs an Intel Core i5-12450H and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6GB of VRAM as opposed to 4GB. The RTX 3050 has a TGP of 75 watts, which is slightly lower than some models because the highest rate is 95 watts, but in real-world gaming it still performs well. Synthetic benchmarks show it scoring within expectations, especially when compared to laptops with RTX 2050s, which are also around this price range. In real-world gaming, you will get solid FPS numbers. Even demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 run at around 30 FPS with RTX turned on. Thermal performance is also decent, with surface temperatures averaging at the 34 degrees Celsius mark and the CPU hitting 86 degrees under stress. The GPU peaks at 78 degrees, all of which is within the safe zone. So, is the Acer ALG worth it? For Rs 64,999, it's a strong contender in the budget gaming laptop market. It offers solid performance with its Intel Core i5 and RTX 3050, although the slower RAM and lower TGP will slightly affect performance in more demanding games. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that delivers good value for money, the Acer ALG is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments if you think this laptop fits your gaming needs. So that was our review of the Acer ALG. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tech content from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.